So it's time to start. It's time to start working on this. Seems like the battery's died, just kind of hanging out here. It's been a while since I even uncovered it. A lot of work. So I think my first mode of business is actually just going to be to get this windshield out, or at least most of it out. Gonna give me some room to, I need to get the fenders off. These man, I'm having a hard time looking at this car, to be honest. I need to get the A-pillars off, the doors, the hatch, like pretty much needs to go down to nothing but the quarter panels. We're back. I got this thing shoved in the garage with the Camaro. A little bit of room to walk around. Never really thought the car would be right back in here where I built it the first time from totaled. It's kind of sad, but this does give me the chance. I mean, I'm probably gonna pull this front rad off anyways and start fitting the supercharger on, which will be like a whole separate thing. But I think while it's down and it's in here, that's something I'm gonna try to do, because I need to pull all this off anyways. I never fixed these headlight brackets from it being wrecked. They actually are like still totaled. The headlights are just kind of, they have different brackets to hold them that I made. So this whole front end's gonna get redone anyways. So I guess it gives me motivation to do that at least. All right, so I'm not trying to dodge anybody. It's just like with heat running, the power tools, people have been filtering in and out. It's been, you know, a couple of weeks of just like slowly working at it. The roof skin is ready to actually go on. You know, I got this all kind of smoothed out, ready to put the skin on. I realized I don't have a weldable primer, which I need to get because this is steel. It has started to like rust in some areas, which I've already cleaned up. You can also see I'm kind of packed in here like a sardine because the Camaro's here. Like I barely have enough room to walk through, but I just went to Harbor Freight, got like $400 worth of welding and metal pulling stuff. The roof lines up really good. I don't think it really did much. There's just a small little kind of wave on that side that I want to pull out before I set the roof on. Measurement wise, it all looks really good. The bolt holes still line up. So It's almost time to set this on, do some spot welding, and hopefully the Harbor Freight welder gets the job done. I'm gonna practice on some metal that I have laying around that came off the other car. Kind of get the settings dialed in before I just go to town. All right, little video update. I wasn't gonna show you my welds, but all that's, got some fuser on it, kind of drying. We got the new doors sat on. So roof's done, doors are on. It's starting to look like a car again. I'm gonna order actual fenders and get rid of the fiberglass ones. Also gotta order a windshield. Yeah, I don't know if they would, maybe it'd be better to leave it in here and order a windshield. So that'll be coming. Let this dry overnight. Maybe do a second coat, kind of smooth it out, make it look better. I don't know. Deal with that later. Then I can set the hatch on, drop it down. I also need to find a window because I busted the one out of the parts car, of course. So we're like in here cleaning up, pulling the door wires out, and this is attached to the speaker. What the fuck, bro? Like, what is this? So we're going through a whole mess, like cleaning, assembling, stuff strewn everywhere. And I find this. What? Never even knew. Never knew that was there. So it's Christmas night, and the Z is actually done. New fenders, new doors, new mirrors, new roof, new pillars, new hatch. Everything's been really, really cleaned. Like, obviously there's gonna be some body work there. It's the only thing at this point that'll require like a little more metal work. The rest of the car is pretty clean. Checked all these panels for Bondo before I bought them. This pillar's hit, so I still need a driver's side really. Obviously I have a DE hatch on it, which I kind of wanted to do for a little while anyways. Cleaned up the interior. There's glass everywhere. I still need to like wipe it all down and re-vacuum again for a third time. This window I gotta find a driver's side and then I'll glue in those windows. Brand new windshield. The carbon fiber hood took a hit. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. I mean, it still bolts on. She was ready to drive again, which is really cool. It's been a bunch of work. Welding and cutting and cleaning. I mean, cleaning's been like the majority of it. Obviously, this is not gonna be like the final assembly. The car is gonna come all the way back apart again for paint in the future, if I make it that far. And can't decide on a color yet. But the car is like together, it's done. It's done enough to drive, I should say. It's not a Nismo right now. It's kind of like a half breed. I think it looks really cool like this. But smash that like button, comment, and maybe the next video you see this car will make turbo noises, but I don't know. I think the next video that'll go up will probably be the Audi getting its full stage 2+3, whatever you want to call it, done. Because that car is like due for a timing chain and everything anyways. I will see y'all in the next one. I figured I should throw this in the video. We are driving it again. Unexpectedly, the Audi took a turn. I was sent the wrong injectors, so now I'm kind of stuck driving this. It's fortunate that it's running, so kind of just enjoying myself. Bro, I love this car so much, dude. I don't even be driving it anymore. I just want to go to the gym.